All right, we're gonna unbox our Focusrite Clarett 18 by 20 USB interface. Just got it delivered about 10 minutes ago. So excited. Yeah, pull that back. Protective cover. Woo! Instructions, those are good. And here she is. Beautiful. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's pretty. That is pretty. She got that.
Took us so long to unbox. You better post this on YouTube.
Oh my God. Inputs.
I can't
Beautiful.
take you serious.
This is lovely. Beautiful. Looking forward to using it. Okay.